Getresponse Review. Reasons why you need to try Getresponse today. Getresponse pricing, product features and advantages. In the digital marketing world, the ability to reach a wide audience is one of the key factors in ensuring the chances of better, more positive conversions. Simply put, the more people you reach, the more you could convert those people into actual sales or sign-ups. To be able to pull this off correctly, you must utilize a service that allows you to import, grow, and host a subscriber list. Getresponse offers such a service and more. Regardless of what plan you subscribe to, Getresponse gives you the following core services: analytic ability to create dynamic landing pages, a wide selection of themes for robust e-newsletters, the ability to perform split testing on campaign. On top of all that, Getresponse also gives you all the tools that could help you build your own website without needing to procure the services of a separate design and development team. Everything you need in ensuring that your business piques the interest of potential consumers everywhere is within your reach. Get the response you need. Not every online business venture requires the same tools to promote and market their brand, product, or service. Getresponse knows and understands this and has every marketing tool your specific type of business needs. Whether you're a small business owner, an educator, a specific subject expert, or a big business making its first online venture, Getresponse has got what you need. And because Getresponse is a web-based service platform, their subscribers have the freedom to manage their business from anywhere. This is definitely an advantage worth signing up for. Ready to support. Another great thing about signing up with Getresponse is the amazing support that you'll be getting every step of the way. Comb through their extensive knowledge base for the right kind of help you need. There are videos, webinars, and many different kinds of guides that are available to get you started or help boost your confidence in managing your business. The best part of this is that you don't have to download anything else or go to a different site. As advertised, you get all of Getresponse's best marketing tips all in one place. Pricing and cost. Interested but still unsure? Sign up for Getresponse's 30-day free trial and immediately avail of their core services. Moreover, you will be able to familiarize yourself with their user interface and see for yourself just how easy they make running and managing your business for you. Currently, there are 4 pricing levels: Basic, Plus, Professional, and Max. You decide which level your business needs fall under. You decide which services you need. Getresponse breaks down the services that fall under each pricing level so you know what you're signing up for. Tried, tested, and trusted. Right now, Getresponse is trusted by 350,000 businesses worldwide. That's a lot of faith and trust in the services that Getresponse provides their subscribers. Check out their free trial and start growing your business with the right people and service that ensures great results. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to learn more about Getresponse. Please like and subscribe.